Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix your account does not meet the following requirements error in Valorant. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open your computer search and type virus and threat protection. Click on it. Then go to virus and threat protection settings and select manage settings. Scroll down until you see exclusions and click add or remove exclusion. Next, click add an exclusion and choose File. From here, locate your Valorant folder. You can search for Valorant, then right-click and select Open File Location. Copy the path, close the window, and paste the path in the File Explorer. Select Valorant and click Open to add it as an exception. After adding Valorant as an exclusion, the final step is to temporarily disable your firewall. Search for Firewall, click Check Firewall Status, or open Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily turn it off and click OK. This should resolve the issue and allow you to play. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix. Your account does not meet the following requirements error in Valorant. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.